Namaste. So today we will study the function of skin. The skin has three main functions: protection, thermoregulation, sensation. Within this, it performs several important and vital physiological functions as outlined. So, protection. The skin acts as a protective barrier from mechanical, thermal, and other physical injury, harmful agent, excessive loss of moisture and protein, harmful effect of UV radiation. Thermoregulation. One of the skin important function is to protect the body from cold or heat and maintain a constant core temperature. This is achieved by alteration to the blood flow through the cutaneous vascular bed during warm periods. The vessels dilate, the skin redden, and beads of sweat form from on the surface. Vasodilator equal to more blood flow equal to greater direct heat loss. In cold period, the blood vessel constrict prevent the heat from escape. Vasoconstriction, less blood flow, reduce heat loss. The secretion and evaporation of sweat from the surface of the skin also help to cool the skin. Sensation. Next function is sensation. Skin is the sense of touch organ that trigger a response if we touch or feel something, include things that may cause pain. It is an important for person with a skin condition as pain and itching can be extreme for many and cause great distress. Also, touch is important for many patients who feel isolated from their skin as a result of color, disease, or the perceptions of others, as many experience the fact that they are seen as dirty or contagious and should not be touched. Next is the immunological surveillance. The skin is an important immunological organ, all made up of key structure and cell. Depending on the immunological response, a variety of cell and chemical messengers are involved. These specialized cell and their function will be covered later. Biochemical function. The skin is involved in several biochemical process in the presence of sunlight. A form of vitamin D called calci- cholecalciferol is synthesized from a derivative of the steroid cholesterol in the skin. The liver converted cholecalciferol to calcidiol, which is then converted to calcidiol, the active chemical form of the vitamin in the kidney. Vitamin D essential from the normal absorption of the calcium and phosphorus, which are required for healthy bone. The skin also contain receptor for other steroid hormones and for vitamin A. Social and sexual function. How an individual is perceived by other is important. People make judgment based on what they see and may form their first impression of someone based on how that person look. All through history, people have been judged because of their skin, for example due to color or the presence of the skin condition or scarring. Skin condition are visible in the skin beauty and images conscious society. The way patients are accepted by other people is an important consideration for nurses. So here we have completed this role of the skin. Hope you will understand the function of the skin. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.